Welcome to today's session. In this video, we will explore lazy loading in image SEO, what it means, how it works, and why it is a crucial technique for improving website performance and ranking. Lazy loading is a technique where images load only when they are about to appear on the user's screen. Instead of loading all images at once, the browser delays loading until necessary. When a page loads, only the visible content is loaded first. As the user scrolls down, additional images load dynamically, reducing initial load time and making the page faster. Lazy loading improves core web vitals like largest contentful paint and reduces bounce rate. Faster sites rank better, so lazy loading directly supports SEO. Users enjoy smoother browsing. When the site loads quickly, instead of waiting for every image, they see the important content immediately, which keeps them engaged. Lazy loading can be implemented using the HTML loading equal to lazy attribute or with JavaScript libraries. Most modern browsers supports lazy loading by default. Lazy loading works best for blogs, e-commerce stores, image-heavy websites, and long-form content. It ensures the top of the page loads quickly while keeping images optimized. However, lazy loading must be used carefully. If implemented incorrectly, search engines may not crawl hidden images. This can hurt image SEO rankings. Always test before applying it. The best practices are like always use native lazy loading when possible and keep the first few images above the fold preloaded. Also, combine with image compression for best results. Lazy loading delays image loading until needed. It speeds up websites, improves SEO, saves bandwidth, and enhances user experience when done correctly. Thanks for watching. Start using lazy loading today to make your site faster and SEO friendly. For more SEO tutorials, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.